Hey, my name is Vic, and I'm the founder of 4%.com. 4% is one of the fastest growing communities for digital modern day entrepreneurs, where we deliver world-class education, tools, resources, collaboration, community that help entrepreneurs become great at what they do. It doesn't matter what business you're in. You might be in affiliate marketing, you might be in direct selling, you might be in e-commerce, or you might have a physical brick and mortar business. But if you are somebody that aspires to become great, if you're somebody that aspires to transcend yourself to a whole other level, 4% is the place for you. There is this thing called the Pareto principle. Have you heard about it? The 80-20 rule, some people say it, right? And this is where the 20% of people doing 80% of the work and getting, 80% of the results and so forth and so on. Well, there is also what nobody talking about. There's this 80-20 principle within the top 20%, hence the 4%. So it's the 20% of the top 20%. So what we're really talking about here is we're talking about transcending you, helping you transcend yourself from the 96% category to the top 4% category, right? Where you become the dominating, you control the market. Would you like to be able to do that, right? Well, the question is how do you do that? Good question. Let me tell you how. You learn the language of success. You learn the language of marketing. You learn the language of distribution. You learn the language of money. You learn the language of success. And that's what 4% is all about. We deliver education that changes people's lives. We help beginners become six-figure income earners doing what they're doing, and then we help six-figure income earners become millionaires. If you're ready to go to another level, if you're ready to take your business and your life to a whole other level, if you're ready to transcend yourself, create your account, join 4% today.